Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable those incognito pop-up notifications on Chrome. If you're tired of seeing those alerts every time you use incognito mode, stick around because I'll walk you step by step through the updated process. It's quick, simple, and you'll have it done in just a couple of minutes. First, head over to your phone's settings. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to managing notifications and app permissions. Once you're there, scroll down and look for apps. Go ahead and tap on it. Now, in the apps list, find Chrome. This is the one we need to adjust, since incognito notifications are tied directly to Chrome itself. Tap on Chrome to open its settings. Next, you'll see an option called Notifications. Tap on that, and it will take you to different categories of notifications that Chrome can send. This is where you can fine-tune what you want to allow and what you don't. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll find something called Notification Categories. Go ahead and tap on it. Here's the important part. Look for the option labeled Incognito. This is the specific category that controls those pop-up notifications whenever you open or run incognito browsing. Once you've found it, simply toggle off the Show as Pop-up setting. By turning this off, you're making sure those incognito notifications won't appear as intrusive pop-ups anymore. And that's it. You're done. From now on, you can use incognito mode without dealing with those annoying pop-up reminders. It doesn't affect the functionality of incognito. It just keeps things quieter and less disruptive while you browse. So, to quickly recap, settings, apps, Chrome, notifications, notification categories, incognito, and then toggle off Show as pop-up. Simple steps, big difference. If you found this helpful, make sure to finish setting it up right now so you don't forget.